What's going on, people? It's your boy Vinh, and this is my daily keyboard, the Logitech K810. The reason why I bought this keyboard is because it matches pretty well with my Logitech MX Master. The feel of this keyboard is super premium. The build is mostly plastic, but the top is made of a dark gray aluminum finish. Or aluminium for my Europeans. So the keys are all made of plastic and they're all concaved in except for the top and the bottom row. I kinda wish the keys were a little bit bigger like the Apple Magic keyboard, but it's fine. So the keys do light up, but only in white. There are 5 different levels of brightness from all the way off to all the way on. Speaking of the backlight, the Logitech K810 does have a hand proximity sensor, so when you reach toward the keyboard, the lights automatically turn on. There are 2 different models for this keyboard. One for Mac that has a brighter metal finish, and the darker one, which is for Windows. But I really like darker keyboards. It feels a lot more clean. So you may notice that there are 3 Bluetooth symbols on the F keys. So yes, this keyboard connects with Bluetooth and there's no dongle included. With a single press of a button, you can switch between 3 different devices. And don't worry, you don't need to worry about batteries because it charges with any micro USB cable. It actually comes with the same cable as the Logitech MX Master. However, I wish the cables were braided, but it doesn't seem that I use them much because I only need to charge it about once every 2 weeks. People are still pretty skeptical and iffy about buying Bluetooth keyboards because of the lag, but it seems to work fine for me. But this keyboard isn't meant for gamers, this is more meant for productivity users. So yes, there's definitely going to be a little bit of a lag, but it's not super noticeable. This keyboard is 10 keyless, so yeah, you will be missing your number pad, but I really like having the space. Before having this keyboard, I was using a DOS Keyboard Professional. And yeah, I love the feel of the Cherry MX Brown switches, but it was a little bit too big for me. It was extremely difficult getting used to a smaller travel distance on the keys, and not having that tactile feedback, and most of all, not having the soothing sound of Cherry MX Brown switches. Oh, and you might see a review video on that pretty soon. But for my situation, it eventually worked out okay, because it looks pretty clean on video. So if you just need a nice and simple clean looking keyboard to go along with your setup, then this would be a great buy. Okay, that's all I have for this video. Comment down below what keyboard you're currently using, or if you're looking to upgrade to a keyboard, tell me what keyboard you're upgrading to. And I'll talk to you guys in the next one.